Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make easy, simple, quick breakfast which is bread upma. If you have bread at home now, do give this a try and you will definitely enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. We have taken one loaf bread and sliced it into tiny pieces like this. You can also use brown bread if you want to make it healthy. Take a pan and switch on the flame. Add in oil into the pan. In goes mustard seed. Once the mustard seed crackles, add in the urad dal. Urad dal gives that crunchy texture to our upma. Cook it until the urad dal turns light golden brown color. Now add in a sliced onion and saute it. Add in some curry leaf and continue mixing. Once the onion turns translucent, add in some sliced green chilli. Add a little amount of salt because bread has already salt in it. Add in sugar and saute it. My amma is only making this bread upma. Now add in some turmeric powder and Kasmiri Chilli powder. In goes Garam masala powder and saute it. There is no specific measurement to make this bread upma. Saute it slightly and add in water. The quantity of water is very important to make this bread upma. If you use more water means the upma will be soggy and look like mashed potato. When the masalas are cooked and the water boils, add in the bread. Stir it gently so that everything combines well. You can switch off the flame when the masalas coats well on the bread. Our quick and easy bread upma is ready to be served now. Finally, I am garnishing with coriander leaf. Do try this bread upma and share me the feedback. I'll catch you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.